Anime thoughts when she opened up so hard I got a twinkle in my eye. You can see it's so tight, I just really wanna pipe. Oh my gosh, she got that big ass titty, she's only 5. Anime thoughts when she opened up so hard I got a twinkle in my eye. You can see it's so tight, I just really wanna pipe. Oh my gosh, she got that big ass titty, she's only 5. Hey, bitch, I'm about to fuck this kitty, so I whip out like a tonner. And I knock this little bitch out with just one hit like I'm Saitama. Why you act like you retarded? Like, little bitch, I don't want drama. I still hit when she says no, don't understand when she don't wanna. Hey, sword fighting with my penis like I'm in a fucking dojo. All these bitches want me like my name was fucking JoJo. Asian penis is too tiny like it was a no-show. Bitch, don't watch your coochie, watch anime with the pros though. I'm motherfucking bitch, I might peek if those thighs a little motherfucking kiss. And make you think sucking shit, tell me if you wanna live. Yeah, your sister is my groupie, she kick this anime dick. Okay, like little bitch, I don't care if that fat ass is too deep. Score a bounty on that pussy, you can call me Spike Lee. Putting out fire, getting ice, bitch, I'm Todoroki. And if you got some shit to say, then you can say it to me. Anime thoughts when she opened up so hard I got a twinkle in my eye. You can see it's so tight, I just really wanna pipe. Oh my gosh, she got that big ass titty, she's only 5. Anime thoughts when she opened up so hard I got a twinkle in my eye. You can see it's so tight, I just really wanna pipe. Oh my gosh, she got that big ass titty, she's only 5. Awesome, Mika, so please can you just give me head? Please just get on your knees, bitch, I'll beat up that ass like my name is Bruce Lee. And I'll eat up that pussy like I'm Comic Key. Asian people driving, are they even trying? I be buying all this hentai, so I triggered, I'm not lying. Now I'm sighing, cause I want Hatsune Miku. Now I'm crying when I fuck anime bitches, I'll be moaning and be whining. Thick thighs look sexy even when especially she decides to wear her dress. Ooh, nuzzles on my neck, now we laying on the bed. Man, I love my body pillow, especially giving head. You know what's next? Anime thighs when she opened up so hard I got a twinkle in my eye. Asian pussy is so tight, I just really wanna pipe. Oh my gosh, she got that big ass titty, she's only 5.